for being here today. I'm Tara. Oh boy, I am sorry. Come here. Come here. These are my puppies. Not sure if you can see Baxter. He's here on the right. Finley's in my arms. It's a very blustery day here in Wisconsin, and I have a couple of scaredy puppies, so they will not leave me alone. So you get to see them. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing today is a few videos back, I did a Dutch pour. It was entitled Blush and Burgundy, and I'll go ahead and link it up here. But when I did that one, I had some comments saying that I should try doing like the Northern Lights. So I'm going to try that today. I'm going to be using the colors of the Northern Lights. I've got some purple and some silver and some greens and some turquoise. So that's what I'm aiming for. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, but I hope that's what happens. So I'm really glad you're here. If you like what you see, please subscribe, share, like, hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I do a new video. So yeah, let's get going here. the studio lights off because it was too much of a glare. But this turned out really pretty. I think that once that Prussian blue dries, it'll mimic the night sky. So I think it'll look really pretty. So here's the canvas. Now let's go to the other. Try not to be too much of a glare here. But love how that turned out. Really looks pretty. And then kind of got some wispies down there. And I like that purple there. I think it turned out really pretty too. So I'm going to pull back so you guys can see what they both look like. And try to keep it in focus. So there you go. Next time you see it, it will be dry. Thanks again for being here.